Webflow versus Framer in 2026, which one should you really use? Ever felt like choosing the right web design tool is harder than choosing you a partner? You swipe left on one and suddenly the other one is sending you push notifications about AI features you don't understand. If you are stuck between Webflow and Framer in 2026, this video is for you. Because today we are breaking down which one is actually worth your time, money, and sanity. So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and let's dive in. The battle of philosophies, Webflow versus Framer's core approach. Let's get one thing straight. Webflow and Framer are not the same thing. Think of Webflow as that overachiever friend who studied architecture, engineering, and law. Meticulous, structured, and obsessed with perfection. It gives you total control over your design, CSS level precision, and clean code while still allowing you to drag and drop your way to glory. Webflow is for those who like to build their websites brick by brick, pixel by pixel, ensuring that everything is optimized, scalable, and SEO friendly. Now, Framer. Framer, it's like that artsy genius who doodles in a sketchbook and somehow makes it go viral. It's built for speed, smooth animations, and effortless interactivity. Unlike Webflow, which requires some knowledge of CSS, Flexbox, and responsive grids, Framer is designed for those who want to bring a creative vision to life fast without getting lost in technical details. So here's the real question. Do you want complete creative control, the ability to tweak every CSS property and a site that can scale like a pro-level business? Go with Webflow. Or do you want a lightweight, stunning, and interactive site that feels more like digital art in motion than structured architecture? Framer is your playground. If you are an agency or business, Webflow feels like home with its CMS, structured layouts, and deep customization options. But if you are a freelancer, creative, or startup founder, Framer might be your best friend, offering fast prototyping, intuitive animations, and no-code simplicity. Design flexibility. Who wins in 2026? Alright, let's talk design freedom. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to feel like they are designing with handcuffs on. Webflow gives you control over every single pixel. Think of it like Lego for web designers. Structured, methodical, and highly customizable. You get a full-blown CSS-based design system, responsive grids, custom animations, and the ability to tweak everything down to the finest detail. If you are a control freak who loves precision, hierarchy, and structured layouts, Webflow is like a Swiss Army knife in the hands of a master craftsman. Framer, it's like designing a website inside a motion graphics software. It's fluid, fast, and packed with smooth, pre-built animations without needing a PhD in CSS. It gives you the freedom to design without overthinking structure or coding limitation. If Webflow is Lego, then Framer is a blank canvas and a set of paintbrushes. Now, here's where things get interesting. If your website needs crazy interactions, parallax effects, 3D transforms, and seamless animations, Framer is a dream come true. But if you want SEO-friendly, scalable, and business-ready designs, Webflow is still king. Framer's design fluidity is unmatched, but Webflow's structured approach ensures your site looks just as good under the hood as it does on the surface. If you love Legos, structure, and pixel-perfect control, use Webflow. If you prefer digital painting, freehand design, and a motion-first UI, use Framer. AI, automation, and future-proofing. It's 2026, and let's be real. If your design tool doesn't have AI, does it even exist? Both Webflow and Framer are embracing AI-powered design, but they are doing it in a very different way. Webflow AI is like your nerdy assistant who understands CSS, SEO, and clean code. It can generate layouts, suggest SEO improvements, and help fine-tune responsive design. Think of it as a co-pilot mode for designers and developers. It won't do all the work for you, but it makes things faster, smarter, and more structured. Framer AI, on the other hand, feels like a creative genie. Give it a text prompt and boom, it spits out an entire web page. It can auto-generate components, animations, and layouts with shockingly little effort. Like it's been reading your mind, or at least your design preferences. So who's winning the AI race? Right now, Framer's AI is wildly more intuitive for creatives. It's built for rapid iteration, instant layouts, and visually stunning results without requiring you to think in CSS classes and breakpoints. But Webflow's AI is more structured and technical, making it a better fit for developers, businesses, and agencies that need optimized, high-performance websites. It won't just generate a site, it will ensure that the site is functional, scalable, and clean under the hood. So it comes down to how you work. Want speed, fluid creativity, and an AI that practically designs for you? Framer. Need technical precision, structured layouts, and AI that enhances but doesn't replace your design process? Webflow. One is like an artist's muse, the other one is like an architect's assistant. Both powerful, just in different ways. The no-code versus low-code debate. Let's settle this once and for all. Are you here to build without limitations, or do you want complete control over every tiny detail? Framer is pure no-code heaven. You design, animate, and publish all without touching a single line of code. No messing with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Just pure visual creativity. It's perfect for designers, freelancers, and startups who want beautiful, interactive websites without the technical overhead. Webflow, it's low code, meaning you don't have to know code, but if you know a little HTML and CSS, you can push things to another level. It allows for precise control over layouts, custom classes, and even JavaScript integrations, making it the go-to choice for agencies, developers, and businesses that want scalability and deeper customization. So let's break it down. If you never want to look at code and just want a stunning site, Framer makes it effortless. If you like having that extra bit of control and the option to tweak things for maximum flexibility, Webflow is a smarter long-term investment. It's not about which is better, it's about how much control you actually want. Pricing. Which one hurts your wallet more? Let's talk money. Because design tools are getting expensive and you need to know what you're really paying for. Webflow starts at around $18 per month for a basic site, but if you want a more advanced CMS and business plan, then you are looking at $50 to $80 per month. Framer, you can build a site for free, but for custom domains and better performance, you need at least $10 to $25 per month. So who wins here? If you need an advanced business website with SEO tools, Webflow is worth the price. If you just want fast, beautiful, and lightweight website, Framer is more affordable and simpler. So after all, which one should you choose? Use Webflow if you are a business, startup, or agency that needs scalability and structured design. Someone who wants better SEO, a CMS, and low-code flexibility. A control freak who loves tweaking every detail. Use Framer if you are a creative, freelancer, or solo entrepreneur who needs fast, animated, and intuitive design tools. Someone who hates coding and wants AI-powered layouts and interactions. Focus more on visual storytelling and dynamic UI than structured pages. At the end, both Webflow and Framer are game changers. It just depends on how you want to build. And if you are still confused and you want to have my opinion, go with Webflow. It's a safer choice, and I've personally been building all of my websites on Webflow for the last 5 years. And now with Magier, our design and Webflow agency, we have built over 150 pages in the last 2 years, and we are super happy. I believe it's the best CMS in the market. It can scale from just having a basic site over to enterprise. And if you ever need help with your Webflow website, reach out to me, magier.com, and then let's check if the Webflow website makes sense for you. Drop a comment below and let me know. And if this video was helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone that is still making the decision. Bye bye.